Hey, this weekend, the 29th, 30th, and 31st, join me and my friend Clarence, C. Garner Speed 252, at the National Corvette Museum 25th birthday celebration. We'll be in Bowling Green, Kentucky, checking out all the C8s, all the cool things, and I want to meet you. If you see me, come up and say hi. You guys also might have seen this sticker on the truck, Brad is my hero. Funny joke my friend Brad from Amarillo, Texas played on me when he was up here in Louisville just a few weeks ago. But I want to give Brad and his brand new wife, Courtney, a huge congratulatory on the channel. This is them right there. They just got married this past weekend, and it's a huge honor to have you guys as a friend. Congratulations on the wedding. They're currently in Honolulu, Hawaii, enjoying their honeymoon. Congratulations, guys, and hope you enjoy the gifts that I got you, because I got Brad a tent, and I know Courtney is going to kick him out, and he's going to need a place to stay, so I got you a tent. Enjoy it when you get back. You're going to need it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm really excited because I'm going to start this video out with something that needed to be done to the K1500 the day that I bought it. And that is a detail. So if you don't remember, I bought this K1500 several months ago from a YouTube subscriber that bought a brand new High Country 1500 2019 truck. He is the first owner on it, so that makes me the second owner. And I tell you what, it's an awesome truck. I haven't done too much to this truck yet. I just put front brakes on it. You saw that. There was some dents on the truck. If you go back to the video when I first got it, I showed you some of the dents that were in the truck. Those are taken out. We put a sprayed in bed liner in the truck, and there was a huge dent back here. Most of that dent is out. You can kind of maybe see a little bit of it, maybe not so much on camera, but there's still a little dent there, but that's the best I can get. And we have a little bit of stuff to work on down here. We have a little paint touch up. We still need to put tires on it, but most importantly, this truck needs a detail. So I am bringing the truck over to 360 Express Collision Detailing. Now these guys are the man and the woman, because Holly works here, on everything you need to know on your car here in Louisville. So give them a shout out if you're here in Louisville. And oh, you know what? I forgot about one mod that I've done that I haven't showed anybody yet. So every time I got out of the truck, I would have to lock it like this. And then every time I wanted to get in the truck, I would have to do this. So a couple weeks ago, I had this installed. Wow, can you believe that I've been driving cars for so long that this is a big deal to me? $175. Now I can lock it, I can unlock it, all with keyless entry. Thank goodness this thing had power lock, so it was an easy add. I paid somebody to do it because I didn't want to mess with it, and it didn't have a whole lot of time. So I'll show you some of the truck, how dirty it is. Pretty dirty everywhere you look. Down here, just everything. That's pretty clean right there, so that's kind of nice. You can see there's some dirt and grime up there, a lot of dirt and grime there, a whole lot over here. This is disgusting right here. A whole lot over there. The back doesn't look too bad. The windows are pretty dirty. Up there's pretty dirty. All the dust up there and stuff like that. You can see there's a bunch of stuff down there as well. And just because you can see down there on the floorboard, and then over on this side you can see pretty dirty. So it hasn't been really detailed all that well. So it's gonna get a nice full detail on this truck. Oh, so nice, I'm telling you. Hey, don't forget, check out the ChevyDudeStore.com. We got this brand new merch stuff in there, shirts, keychains, awesome things. Canada people, I got some Canada keychains in there for you as well. Let's check out their shop. Ooh, what do we have here? That could look fun. I wonder if that's theirs or a customer's. Interesting. Out here is their like body shop area. So they have a fairly big shop. We got a oven right there to paint the cars, so nice big shop. Nice little C4 they got over here doing some work on it. Really awesome. I like those wheels. Are those C6 wheels? Interesting. And out here is their like the detail shop, right? They got a little wash bay over here, all the details there. They are a ceramic pro dealer here right in Louisville, so if you want ceramic pro, this is definitely the place to come. They do a lot of ceramic pro out of this place, paint correction, all that stuff. All right, so there it is. I'm gonna leave it here for the next couple days. They had a lot car, because we do a lot of work with them at the lot, that black 1500 Ram 4x4 down there. And so I will see you on Friday. You know, one thing I just realized, the truck doesn't have a name. What should we name that truck? You guys put it down in the comments below. Tell me what we should name the truck, and I'll name it based off your suggestions. Well, here I am just the next day at home, because Brad and Holly, who run and own the 360 Express Collision and Detail, they just brought the truck back to me at work. It's behind me. Wait till you see this thing. Wow. All right, here it is. You can see, look at me. You can see my reflection in this paint. 1995 truck, and you can see my reflection in this paint. That is absolutely amazing. Look at that. Hello, people. Make sure you thumbs up the video. My nice Brad is my hero sticker still on there. You guys don't know about that. You have to watch Facebook if you want to know about that. The tailgate, again, wow. You can see me in it. This is amazing. This is, what, 25 years old? So here's the only bad thing about doing this, is now we can see some more scratches in there. We can see, you know, things that just need a little bit more work. It's amazing how much orange peel's in this from 1995 to now. GM still has all that orange peel in their vehicles. And then up here on the hood, we got some bird droppings that we're gonna probably have to wet sand. So I'll probably have to do some cutting on this. You can kind of see some stuff right there, get all the clouds right there. And let's go to the inside. This is absolutely amazing. Remember all that dirt that was there earlier? Absolutely perfectly clean. We'll pull up this floor mat. Absolutely perfectly clean. Come into the back here. Again, just absolutely looks amazing for a 1995 Silverado. Over on the driver's side, looks amazing there. All this is nice and clean now, as you would expect out of any detailer. Right there, looks great in there. Got my trailer hitch in there. All that looks great. Steering wheel looks great. Look at that, 88,109 miles. The dash looks fantastic. Everything looks good. Headliner, there was a stain right there. Headliner looks good. Well, there you go. The absolute best detailer here in Louisville, Kentucky. This is not any type of paid sponsored video. This is just who I wanted to have clean my car. I wanted to give them a shout out. They do a fantastic job. And if you're in Louisville, Kentucky, their information is down in the description below. So make sure you use them, and you're gonna have a fantastic thing. Now, one thing that they do that I mentioned earlier in the video is they do Ceramic Pro, and they also do OptiCoat ceramic coatings. Now, I'm not a big ceramic coating. My Corvette is ceramic coated because I wanted to see how it goes and test it, and I did a barter with that, and it's a long story, but I'm not really sold on it. But a lot of people are, and if you want it, they're the people to do it, because they're going to do it right, they're going to do it efficient, and they're going to do it in an extremely timely manner. Well, there you have it. Almost brand new looking 1995 Silverado. We still have some work to do on this bad boy. I'm really excited to do some work. When the C8 gets here, I won't be driving this every day, because I'm driving this currently every day now to work. Whew, the gas mileage on this thing is not good at all. There's a thermostat, I think, sticking. I'm gonna put a new thermostat on it probably this weekend, and just do a few more things to it. We still gotta get tires on it. All sorts of fun things to do on this truck, and I'll bring those to the channel as I do them. And I've got to apologize about that thing right back there. Yes, my daughter's boyfriend, psycho, he drives a Ford. Can you believe it? I can't, but it is what it is. As always, guys, we're about having fun on this channel. We're about having learning some things about the car business, and you know, I got this new fun project, and I've got a C8 coming. As always, thank you so much for watching. You have a fantastic day, and drive safely.